I feel embarrassed now talking about it, but as long as you hydrate, because I was hydrating myself through it, and also I was like eating something. What? No way, that's fucking ridiculous.
Pork is considered red meat. Some cuts of pork are considered white under the culinary definition, but all pork is considered red meat in nutritional studies. So does that mean? Do you mean to tell me that you've had weekends on the pork? A t-shirt that.
I think t-shirts are the worst thing.
There is traffic congestion on A316 with a delay of 8 minutes due to queuing traffic.
You can't hang a t-shirt because it fucks with the neck.
You can though, can't you? Or can you not?
Fucks with the neckline, man.
So what do you do? What do you do?
Well, there's actually these little like you can get these little folding deck there. Go down there and go down there proud in the fact that you stood by yourself. And if they give you any problem, hit 999 and make sure that you get someone down there, or you call someone to come and help you out. But like, it's I don't think they do anything. I think that and if they did, then